Okay, so today's vlog, I'm just pretty much giving you like, I'm finna give you a little glam. I'm not finna do a whole tutorial. Got to like do this, as you can tell, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is put my own individual lashes on just because I want to actually look natural and look different. And this is my first time ever doing individuals myself. I have did like scripts or whatever, but never individuals. I also got these type of glue, so hopefully it works. If not, then I'm gonna have to use the glue that I always been recommended to use, which is my Ghost Bond. So I'm gonna test it out first, and then y'all see me in action, baby. Y'all see, please.
This could take some time. Hey, made too many mistakes. Better get this right. I love what you started. The temperature's rising, and here is this gonna happen. Been waiting and waiting for you to make a move before I make a move. So baby, come light me up, and baby, I'll let you on it. A little bit dangerous, but baby, that's how I want it. A little less conversation and a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you, into you. Watch us, so baby, let's keep it secret. Love is scandalous.
So now we're gonna do something to this hair. And I did shave my eyebrows, you guys. I like mine to be like a little clean cut. Fill it out, and my hair grow back faster than ever. Yes, it does. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much do something to my hair, wear my red hair out, or get another wig. Stay tuned.
In the edge, no control. I need you to know. Light me up, and baby, I'll let you on it. A little bit dangerous, but baby, that's how I want it. A little less conversation and a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you, into you, into you. Watching us, so baby, let's keep it secret. A little bit scandalous, but baby, don't let them see it. Conversation, yeah, a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you, into you.
Okay, all these hair is in this bag. Oops. I got all of them hair. All this hair gotta be like. Okay, yeah, I didn't really do too much because I didn't honestly have a look. I had to go back to my throwback wig. I didn't glue it or nothing like that. I just try to find something because I haven't tell my women out there. Let me tell y'all something. I am a wig fanatic. So for me not to buy any wigs for at least a couple of months, that was a hard pill to swallow because I am trying to do something useful with my spending and trying to budget. Just work what I got. And I didn't put more curls into this hair yet because I was just testing it out again. All right, my look kind of, I just, as you can tell, I already put the highlight underneath my eyes and did my lashes and did my eyebrow and my lip. That's pretty much all I did. And I just wish it could have been better. You know, I don't know. Like, I just feel like, I should have had another fit or anything. I don't know. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the outfit that I chose to do with this look. It's really not nothing crazy or anything too extravagant. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna do my nails later, but if I don't do it tonight, that's because honestly I had other things to do. What's going on? Look, haven't been serving my justice, okay? The look, I'm trying to make this work. I'm trying to make it look like something. Is it giving fit? I don't know. We don't know. Let's stop. So I honestly just wanted y'all to see this. That's it. I gotta show y'all something. Some of y'all might not care, but if you know I'm obsessed with this show, baby, I got these now. Look. Hold on. I already got these, right? Don't pay attention to my nails. They already know the show right here. Boom. Give me a second, okay? Hold on. Guess what I got? I had it for a while. I see it better when it's on. Yeah, I gotta see it. Look, I got a Walking Dead on me. Walking Dead, yeah. You already know. Big Daddy is in the back. See that? Yeah, Big Daddy is in the back. It's kind of cricket back there. No, TWD forever. Forever. I thought it was a joke. I'm with the Walking Dead for life. And I'm gonna get the tattoo. I'm gonna get a small one. But yeah. Thought I was joking around here. I ain't playing with y'all. I told y'all. Playing with me. I've been having this for, say, roughly around like 3 months now. I'm just not showing it. I love my Walking Dead. I need to iron this. Like, what? I should show that before I even, like, to this point. If you're not a Walking Dead fan, I feel sorry for you. Girl, calm down. Come back to life. Hold on. Let that thing hit different. I mean, it's better than The Walking Dead. What? Are y'all shocked? Shouldn't be. I'm married to that man. Let's not get that confused now. I'm married to the character. You feel me? Let's not get confused. But let me sit my old ass down. I can. Y'all, tell me why I'm up 5:41. I just got done releasing another video for my other channel, Shamika Black Love, and my eye just turned red because my eye was irritated when I went to sleep with these lashes. Child, it's a lot. Boobies, don't look at my boobies. Please don't look at my boobies. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry right now. I was gonna cook like some baked chicken with quesadilla again. I've done it multiple times, but I ran out of like sauce. I ran out of sauce. Like, it's supposed to be pico de gallo. I don't know if I want to try this or not. Or I was gonna just eat some regular like, sausages and just make a little. You know, I don't know if y'all from the hood area and the country area, but for me, baby, what we used to do, we used to like boil these suckers up, and then we put them on the bread. And you know how like you make a hot dog? It's kind of like the same way, plain Jane. And I was just gonna use some chips with it, but I was like, I hate that I'm indecisive, and it's like 5:41. And y'all, I gotta tell y'all some off the wall thing too as well. Tell me. Why sound like I didn't eat nothing all day yesterday. I swear to God on everything I love. All day yesterday because I had slept a little late, and I woke up by like 2-3 p.m. Eat nothing. I didn't even eat nothing for breakfast. I didn't eat nothing for lunch. I didn't eat nothing for dinner. I went a whole day without eating. Is it because I'm stressed or I'm sleepy? It's one of the two. So what's going on with me? But I just been like working. I don't know if it had anything to do with that, y'all. I honestly don't know. Me personally, I don't know what I want to eat. Do I just want to get something, get out of the way so I can go back to sleep? What? Which one, y'all? What is it? Which one? Are we doing chicken or are we doing sausages? Like, what is it? You're not going to help me. I'm going to have to figure this out myself. I'm going to have to figure this out. I don't know which one. Oh, gosh. I think I made my final choice. But who does this like early in the morning like that? Who does this like? Get this done out of the way anyway. video gonna get posted today. We left with, and I'm gonna film tomorrow, y'all, at my job. Things I do, I can't expose the residents or nothing like that. You know, I can't do that. But I will show you my daily routine. You know. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog. Whatever. And see you next time on Shamika Black Love, the private curator. Peace, love, and light.
Are you scared of this love I have?